Hi there, I'm Chili Chonka, owner, operator, founder, chief legal counsel, and of course, chief taste tester to Chili Chonka's world famous Chonky chili. Chili Chonka's, we're proud to provide you with the chonkiest, tastiest chili known to mankind, and I can't thank you enough for all the support you've shown us throughout the years. And that's why I'm excited to announce our latest contest. We've partnered with the fine folks at Wonka Corporation, a wholly owned subsidiary of GE Appliances, a high-air company, to produce one of the greatest giveaways ever. I'll be hand-making a special batch of our golden chili taken straight from the chili rivers that run through our factory and randomly hiding it inside one of the kitchen ranges sold by GE Appliances. The lucky contestant who purchases this range and consumes the entire pot of chili gets to be the very first outsider to ever tour our facility at Chili Chonky's Chonky Chili Factory. You'll get to see all the great wonders that make us so special, including our aforementioned chili river. You'll get to go spelunking deep within the chili mines, and it doesn't stop there. Should you make it through the tour, you'll get a chance to not only inherit my company, but also my magical chili powers. Because I've been running this show for 178 years, I think it's time to hang the old hat up.
Guys, can you believe it? We're never gonna have to buy chili again. Rick, I had the craziest dream last night.
Tell me about it. Every time I eat spaghetti. What you dream about?
I dreamed you were this guy named Chili Chonka that had a magical chili factory, and you had this giveaway, and you were hiding a chili pot in an oven. It was interesting.
Me? And some guy named Chili Chonka? Doesn't sound very original. A magical chili factory? And putting a chili pot in an oven? Come on, I've seen our ship lab before. That is the worst idea. There's gonna be chili everywhere.
Okay, I don't know, it was just a dream. I have weird dreams sometimes.
You're right, I'm sorry. I'm just so stressed out over this chili cook-off. I really want to win, and I still remember the names they called me last year, and it's just taking a long time to get over.
It's okay. I know you'll do good. You always do fine.
Thanks. Well, I think I'm gonna try and get in early and maybe sabotage some of the other chilies before many people get into the office.
What just happened? What?
I don't know what you're talking about, but I hope you have a good day at work. I love you, and I'll let you know how it goes. I gotta run though. I'll see you.
Bye.
That was way too close. She can never find out about us. No more chili at home for you. You understand? That's the lamest curse ever.